Hi, my name is Noor and I'm going to quickly present my project. So we're gonna start with kind of like the main toolbar at the header. The header will have essentially the logo, and right now I have 3 pages. Obviously this is disabled and these are also disabled, like connecting the wallet and all these functionalities. But for now there's only 3 pages that are activated. The main is the trading page. Then we have the markets page where we can choose which market we want to trade on, and then the portfolio page. So starting off the portfolio, essentially the user can go in and see their value, the wallet value in real time, and it will be real time reflected in there. And then in the markets, they can choose from any market, and also if they have favorited any market, the gaining market is, and the markets that are losing essentially. Then in the trading, we have the top bit will kind of like reflect the market cap, and also the 24-hour high and 24-hour low. Obviously we can add more to it, maybe like 52-week ratio as well, but for now we've just kept like the bare minimum of what is needed. After that, we have our main trading chart. Obviously we'll have more variation of the charts. For now this is just the line chart. So in the line chart, and then we have the candlestick and the advanced quote unquote, which will be obviously more kind of like, I was thinking of maybe having like more like AI based, where like kind of like AI can help. Obviously there is AI which is not as advanced, but like when I say AI, I like kind of like having prediction matrix and everything being predicted in real time by AI. This is more like, okay, is this move driven by like, just like this is general purpose AI, the one on top, but this could be like more advanced version, and then there could be like more tools and essentially more option that is available to the user. So this is kind of like a chart. Then obviously you can skip through and then go to 5 minute or 1 minute. In 1 minute gain $500 something, and this kind of like it. And then in the left side we have our tools, which we kind of like see volatile and all of the important tool. There are a couple of tools which I feel like could be really important, really innovative, because I haven't seen much in the trading websites or any other competitors. Like for example, let's say this one, let's say heat map. This could be interesting one. Then could be behavioral footprint, signal confidence. So like a lot of new tools which can help in decision making essentially. Then obviously we have our native tools as well, kind of like ruler, line, and all those tools as well. Then from going further, we have the placing of the order. So obviously the user can go in and place an order. Once they place an order, initially it is obviously deactivated because there's no quantity being chosen here. So once the customer or the user chooses it, so they can place the order and it'll show up, pop up to the customer. We can place that in a second. Then going further, we have the order book, where we can see our bids and asks, and this is kind of like real time being changed, and it's essentially reflecting the real time change in the market. Then we have the recent trades that are being put down in this market. And then another thing that I felt could be really good is, and that could be again machine learned algorithm based, so that the news is actually based on the market itself, not of any other market. So whatever is happening in the market, there could be a small like news section to just kind of like give a gist of why there's the price rise or why the price is decreasing, something like that. Then we have the footer, and in the footer we have the component library and the design documentation, like why all of these components are being chosen the way they are. Yeah, so in the design component, like all the components that are used in here, like all the glass variants and everything. And then we have the documentation, which kind of like talks about a little bit about everything, why it is the way it is, essentially. Going back to the home, the trade page, and then for this we use the class morphism for most of these components. So most of these each sections are using those Figma class tools, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. Let me try putting up an order. Let's say we want to buy 1 Bitcoin. Let's show this, and then if we buy Bitcoin, it should buy order placed successful. Obviously this would need a little bit more customization, maybe a different way to kind of like represent it, but this is kind of like a gist of how to place the order. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Apart from all of these tools, let me quickly see if I'm missing anything. Yeah, I feel like I covered everything. I'm just going through all the documents we need to cover. Yeah, that's pretty much it, and I would love to kind of like sit down and talk a little bit more about this in details. Yeah, have a good day.